What are green batteries?
Green batteries are designed to minimize environmental impact throughout their life cycle. Unlike traditional batteries, which often contain harmful chemicals, green batteries use safer materials and more sustainable production methods. Their goal is to store and deliver energy efficiently while reducing pollution, resource depletion, and health hazards for people and nature.
Eco-friendly materials and design.
Green batteries often replace toxic heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury with safer alternatives, such as lithium iron phosphate or sodium. They are engineered with recyclable components, use less rare or conflict-prone resources, and feature designs that make them easier to disassemble and recycle at the end of their life.
Cleaner manufacturing processes.
Eco-friendly batteries strive to reduce energy consumption and waste during production. Manufacturers use cleaner technologies, renewable energy sources, and greener solvents. This results in fewer greenhouse gas emissions and less chemical pollution compared to conventional battery manufacturing methods.
Longer life and better performance.
Green batteries are often built to last longer and withstand more charge cycles before degrading. This durability means fewer batteries end up in landfills. Their high efficiency delivers reliable power with less waste, making them ideal for electric vehicles, renewable energy storage, and everyday electronics.
Easier recycling and safe disposal.
A major feature of green batteries is improved recyclability. Their safer materials and simpler designs make it easier to recover valuable components and reduce the risk of environmental contamination. Proper recycling keeps harmful substances out of the environment and encourages a more circular economy.
The impact on the planet.
By embracing green batteries, we reduce pollution, conserve resources, and support cleaner energy systems. While no battery is entirely without impact, eco-friendly innovations help move us toward a more sustainable future, benefiting both people and the planet.